Hi everyone, this is Abhishek Babbar, and in this video we will be covering BFS, that is breadth first search. So before BFS we should know that what is a graph traversal. Graph traversal. Graph traversal is nothing but it is a way of visiting all the nodes in a graph one by one. Traversal of visiting all the nodes in a graph one by one. Basically we have two ways to traverse this graph. First one is BFS, that is breadth first search, and this one is iterative way, and the second one is DFS, that is depth first search. This is recursive one. We will see this in another video. This one is recursive. So for traversing through BFS, two main steps are: step 1, visit a source node, and step 2, visit all of its neighbors. Basically, more specifically, I should say that visit all of its unvisited neighbors. Unvisited neighbors. So this will be cleared later what I want to say when I will explain through an example. So basically one more thing, that BFS is a level order traversal. What do I mean by level order traversal? Suppose this graph. In this graph we have vertices from 0 to 5. We have basically 6 vertices. So by level order traversal I mean that I will visit this source vertex first, and then I will visit the neighbors which are at a distance of 1 units, that is 1 and 3, and in the next iteration I will visit the neighbors which are I will visit the nodes which are at a distance of 2 units from source, that are 2 and 4, and similarly in the next iteration I will visit the vertices which are at a distance of 3 units from source, that is 5. So suppose I have visited 0, so I will print 0, and then I will visit its neighbors that are 1 and 3. These are unvisited. I will mark them visited. So basically we need to store these 1 and 3, these neighbors, in some data structure. For level order traversal we use a queue data structure. Let me draw a queue. So basically initially we will push 0 in this queue and pop it and print 0. So what we will do now is we will traverse through its neighbors that are 1 and 3. These neighbors must be unvisited. 1 and 3 are unvisited. We will mark them as visited, and we will add 1 and 3 in this queue. So in the next iteration 1 will be popped out. We will print 1, and then what are the neighbors of 1? Neighbors of 1 are 2 and 0. So 0 is already visited. We will visit 2 and add it into the queue. So in the next iteration 3 will be popped out. We will print 3, and what are the neighbors of 3? Neighbors of 3 are 4, 0 and 2. So basically 0 and 2 are already visited. We will visit 4 and mark it as visited and add it into the queue. Basically we are only adding the unvisited nodes, unvisited neighbors. So in the next iteration 2 will be popped out and we will print 2. And what are the neighbors of 2? Neighbors of 2 are 1, 3 and 5. But as we can see that 1 and 3 are already visited, we will not add them into the queue. We will add 5 and just into the queue and mark it at visited. Add 5 into the queue. So basically in next iteration 4 will be popped up and 4 will be printed. As all of the neighbors of 4 are already visited, we will add nothing in the queue. And in the next iteration 5 will be popped up and 5 will be printed. As there is no unvisited neighbor of 5, so nothing will be added into the queue. So basically this is the breadth first search 0 1 3 2 4 5. We visited the node source, that is 0, then visited the nodes which are at a distance of 1 units, that are 1 and 3. Then we visited the nodes which are at a distance of 2 units from source, that are 2 and 4. And then we visited 5, which is at a distance of 3 units from source, that is 5. So we will write some code.